The arrival of the Prime Minister's carcade at the saluting base.
सलामी मंच पर प्रधानमंत्री का आगमन जोश उत्साह जनसमूह में।
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का शुभागमन हो चुका है। हम उनका हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं।
The Honourable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has arrived. The crowds are getting ecstatic on seeing our Honourable Prime Minister. Prime Minister meeting in
प्रधानमंत्री
various dignitaries assembled here in
अभिवादन स्वीकार करते हुए
Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi at the saluting base, waving to the people on either side the two VIP enclosures. Great excitement, great enthusiasm. Such memories being created today as he leads the nation to development progress.
And the Sardar on Vikram following the president. Mounted on Sergeant, the Sardar is carrying the regimental colours. The guards are riding feet that are the tallest at a minimum of 15.5.
The Vice President of India, Mr. Mohammed Hamid Ansari and Mrs. Salman Sari have arrived here, being greeted warmly by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He'll now be presented to the Raksha Mantri, Manohar Parrikar, the Minister of State for Defence, Rao Inderjit Singh, Defence Secretary R.K. Mathur. Then we have the three service chiefs, General Dalbir Singh, Admiral R.K. Dhawan and Air Chief Marshal Arup Raha. These cars will soon halt at the alighting point.
Crowds getting understandably excited and
A
ecstatic
cheer of welcome in the air.
for the arrival of the motorcade of the President of the United States of America. A proud moment for every
Prime
Indian.
Minister Narendra Modi waiting to receive all our distinguished guests and dignitaries. President Barack Obama arrives at Rajpath,
We are
being
indeed
greeted
proud
very
to
warmly by
have
Prime
Mr.
Minister
Honorable
Narendra
Mr.
Modi.
Barack Obama, the President of the United States of America, the First Lady, Mrs. Michelle Obama.
And the First Lady Michelle Obama, a picture of elegance and grace.
अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति बराक ओबामा और उनकी पत्नी मिशेल ओबामा का आगमन राजपथ पर। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने उनकी अगवानी की और यहाँ बूंदाबांदी लगातार हो रही है और ऐसा माना जाता है कि शुभ कार्यों में बारिश आना बहुत ही शुभ है।
So as the heavens gently send down their blessings too, the arrival of the President of the United States of America, Mr. Barack Obama, and his wife, Mrs. Michelle Obama, here at the saluting base.
Obama wished India with a pyar bhara namaskar yesterday, waving to the crowds again, now being escorted to the saluting dais from where they'll view today's parade. President Barack Obama's visit to India is in acceptance of one of the most significant honors that India can bestow on any foreign leader. President Obama creating history by being the first US president to be chief guest at our Republic Day celebrations. Meeting now with the Vice President of India, Mr. Mohammed Hamid Ansari. And India welcomes President Barack Obama and the First Lady with great warmth and joy. President Pranab Mukherjee
Ladies
being
and
greeted
gentlemen,
at
Shri
Rajpath
Pranab Mukherjee, the President of India,
by
has
Prime
arrived.
Minister Narendra Modi,
The President of India is being received by the Prime Minister, Shri
being
Narendra
greeted
Modi.
very warmly.
The Prime Minister thereafter is introducing the Defence Minister, Shri Mohd to the President, followed by the Minister of State for Defence, Rao Inderjeet Singh, the three service chiefs, the Chief of Army
Meeting
Staff,
with the three service chiefs now.
Chief of Naval Staff, Admiral R.K. Gowan, the Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Abu Rahab, and the Defence Secretary, Shri R.K. Mahd. The President's bodyguard standing tall, proud, and erect, looking
President Pranab Mukherjee
in this inclement weather. The salute be there.
will now be escorted in a
Readiness.
ceremonial military.
To the credit of the people of India, that there is no let up in the enthusiasm, spirit, and energy of the men, women, and children who have come to attend the parade today. No matter hail, snow, or rain, the Republic Day is important now. The
President Pranab Mukherjee
for the national salute,
greeting Mrs. Michelle Obama, the Vice President of India, also Mr. Barack Obama.
for the national anthem. Those in uniform are
As soon as we hear the word of command, there'll be the national salute.